my name is Clement Tang. I am 9 years old. School at SJKC Zhonghua. I learn robotics at Robotic Activation Center. Today, I want to present my MRT robot. The robot is operated by a battery, two-gear motor, and a controller, and many different parts. I created the robot to trace on the railway. Let me show you my robot. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.